Hi folks. Welcome back to Meta Box Tutorials. In today's practice, we are going to find out how to create a product page using Meta Box and Divi. A product may have various information, images, even specifications that we should show on the page to help customers more easily make decisions. The page is a singular page of your product post type. The name and description of the product are the title and content of the post. The remaining detailed information will be saved in the custom fields. And these are just some typical information that I made for illustration purposes only. Let's see how we add the information to the product and bring it to the page. First, we need Divi Builder to build the page and display the product information. Next, we use Meta Box to have a framework for creating a new custom post type and custom fields for your products. You can download it directly from wordpress.org. Besides, we also need some Meta Box extensions to have advanced features. You can install them individually or use Meta Box all in one. Here are the extensions that we will use in this practice. MB Custom Post Type to create a custom post type for the products. MB Divi Integrator helps Divi to get data from custom fields created by Meta Box easier. And the last one, Meta Box Builder, to have a UI on the back end to easily create custom fields. That's all. Let's get started now. Go to Meta Box and create a new post type for your products. After publishing, you will see a new menu displayed here. It's your post type. These are the fields that I'll create for example. They are just some basic fields for typical information. Now, go to Meta Box to create them. First, choose the number field for numeric information, such as rental price, car year, and max passengers. Next, I have some fields that allow the user to choose one from the provided list. So create them in the Select type. There is a choice box to add options here. For the rest of the information, such as fuel usage, engine capacity, max luggage, mileage, we use the text field. The last field is the gallery. Choose an image advanced field to allow the user to upload multiple images. After creating all the fields, move to the Settings tab. Choose Location as post type, and then select Car Rental to apply these fields to this post type. Now go to the Post Editor. You will see all of the created custom fields. Just fill in the information. To display product information on each page, we should create a template for their singular page. Go to Theme Builder in Divi to create a new one. Then, choose this option to apply the template to all the singular pages of this post type. First, add a new section to cover all the product information. My product page is in the type of columns like this. So, I'll choose this layout. Now, let's get in display information. In the first column, add the Meta Box field module for the gallery. This is the module built by the Meta Box team that has more advantages and more optimality, especially can get images from custom fields. Just set the location for this module as the field that we store the images. The images will display on the front end later. Moving to the second column, I will display the detailed information of the product. Add a new row with the wanted layout. For the product's name, which is saved in the post title, choose this module. Next, to display the product description, select the text module. Then click on the dynamic content icon button and choose Post Excerpt from the list. For the rental price information saved in a custom field, add a new row. Also, add a text module inside. Pay attention that you also can choose the Meta Box field module instead, but we refer to using Divi's modules in this case, since they provide opt-in options for styling. We also use the dynamic content icon button to get data from the field. You also can add before and after text for the currency unit. For the rest of the information, they have the same style with two columns. The first one is the title, and the second one is the information that is obtained from the custom fields. So we'll use the row with two columns here. The first one is the title. So select the text module and just name it. In the second column, also add a text module. Then connect it to the custom field to get the data using the dynamic content. You can style this row a little bit before cloning it for others. To save time, just duplicate this one to have other rows. And change the title and field to get the right one. We've just finished getting all of the information about the product. Let's see how it displays on the front end. Go back to the page template editor. Since all the information of the product is saved in custom fields, and you got it individually using separate modules, you can choose each module to change their settings, one by one, to have their own style for each kind of information. You also can add some CSS to have a beautiful style for the gallery. I use the Slick Slider library to set the gallery display as a slider. I uploaded all the code to GitHub, you can go there to see it in detail. To make the slider work well, we need to declare the Slick Slider library in our themes files. And this is the final look of the page. That's the end of today's tutorial. If you want to try more, please watch other tutorials on this channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye.